Hey boys, we're the Mech Boys.
I'm Kelton.
I'm Kyle. And today we're here to show you some shit that we've done to the old pony behind us. So Kelton, you want to explain to everybody what you've did in the past?
Well, I felt like doing a little exterior stuff, so I just added the stickers in there where it says Cobra. It just gives it a little more depth, and you can see it better. Adds a little more, I guess, character to the car. I guess.
Just like that bumper scratch, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Anyways,
I don't know how that got there, but
what else do we have? Let's follow you around here.
We get under there and look.
Okay. I'm down. I'm always good for looking under things.
You can see that there's a brand new BBK off-road X pipe. So
well, shit. I like the looks of that.
She's full straight pipe now, boys. And it's very, very.
So it's hard to get something that I approve when it comes to loud exhaust because I like very loud vehicles. And it can sound gross, but this is a Kyle approved item. This car it's bad loud. Like it is so bad. I honestly can't think of another vehicle I've driven that is louder than this thing.
No, me either.
No.
Quincy owned.
That's fair.
That was
but
close. This
we're
is
gonna
louder though, I think.
Yeah. We were sticking 8 somewhere. Yeah.
That's our 7 LS swap.
Yeah, this is a bone stock V8 with a straight pipe. It's a Cobra. It's sexy as fuck, but like, yeah. But like I was just telling Kelton, he has 137,000 kilometers on this car. 31 even. Holy shit. Yeah. That's fuck all. That is fuck all. So, but yeah. Anyways, we're gonna take you for a drive, and you boys can tell us what you think. So this. Oh my god! If you don't like the sound of bald eagles, just do not watch this video. Holy shit! I've fucking never heard a pony so beautiful in my life. God damn! Kelton, I like the sound of your fucking V8, buddy.
How does it sound inside?
Oh my god. I cannot even describe to you how loud it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice. Not like gross loud though? Or is it like...
No, it is like, when you get into that 3000 range, she's like almost raspy. But it is like, it won't pick it up on audio obviously, but like, man. It's loud. It makes your fucking ears ring. Ting-a-ling, ring-ding. This is a fucking Mustang. I'm trying to say something else, but I don't know what to say. It's just a Mustang. Let's hop on in here. Ugh. Oh my god. God damn.
Well, boys, we're gonna go for a little drive up to
a little bit out of town because this thing is we don't
just up there a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
Oh wait, right up there.
Yeah. No, we don't need no cop troubles. So.
No, yeah. Well, so we're gonna go up there, and yeah, get a few revs for you guys.
Let her rip.
See ya.
It's trying to figure out what the. fucking Christ. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. I love the sound of this fucking car, man. Oh my God. Just what taking your fucking cats out is amazing. How much more bald eagles you can let fucking come out of your exhaust now. God damn. Here we are back on the fucking hill. Yeah. So, Kelton, do you want to give everyone a couple of revs? Alrighty. Oh! Oh, my poor niece! God damn.
Sound of my people.
Sound of your people, the American muscle people? Oh yeah. Oh my God. My fucking ears! Oh! Oh no fucking way!
Oh, it's loud.
And you see that freaking smoke around the edge of these dips? I think if we get her good and hot, we take a video tonight, I bet you we're spitting flames.
Probably. It already has once or twice.
Yeah, well, we got one video of it. But this, I like this view, personally, like, when you have sounds like this in Swift, it makes it better. But, yeah, that, Kelton, that worth the 400. And someone dropped their pop can, apparently. Let's see what's in it. Oh! What would you guess? Pop, eh? There's pop in the pop can?
Mountain Dew's better.
Crack a fresh one of them. I think we should go to Dawn's. Oh, sell Mountain Dew at Dawn's. I kind of forgot about that. But anyways, after all that wind outside, mixed with the exhaust tone and my poor headache now because of you.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I don't know. That is what you get for taking cats out of V8 right there. So if any of you have a good old Cobra like Mr. Dick over here, yeah, take the cats out of her. She will not disappoint you any. But I think we're gonna wrap up the video here. We just wanted to get a quick video, quick updates, and oh yeah, one more thing. I sold the Bolt SS. It was about a month ago now, but she's
Put
gone.
an exhaust on your truck.
And yeah, my exhaust went on that I was talking about. It came in early. We put it in like June 20th, so like we'll take a video of that when it's not 3 million km/h winds outside and stuff. But yeah, if you like the sound of V8s and you like drinking Bartle Skeets, rate, comment, subscribe, and please send Kelton some new sunglasses because those are so bad. Like Southwest tools, and you robbed them from a dude at work.
Yep.
Oh man, Mennonite. I thought I was being a Mennonite. Kelton, you took that to a whole different level, man.
Well, I just never got a chance to buy any, so I'm like, well.
Well, YouTube.
I asked him first.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. At least you're not a complete stealer. Well, YouTube hasn't taken off for us, and we're still poor, and we're not getting paid anything. So like, we can't afford sunglasses. So like, yeah. That's where we're sitting. But anyways, I've been ranting too long. We will see you all later.